Temporary deactivation on Instagram 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can temporarily deactivate our Instagram account in 2024. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To deactivate our Instagram account temporarily, all we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, launch the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon to come to profile page. Tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side. Then go to Account Center. From here, go to Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Instagram account. Leave it at Deactivate Account because we want to temporarily deactivate. Tap on Continue. Final step would be for you to enter your Instagram account password. Tap on Continue and your Instagram account will get successfully and temporarily deactivated. And anytime you want to reactivate it, you just have to try to log into your account. This way you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.